Today I'm going to show you this meat chopper or mix tool. Thank you to the brand for sending us this to try out. This is actually my second one that I've had of this one, and it's one of our favorite kitchen tools, so I just want to show you how it looks. You can see here it has this pinwheel design, and it is sharp enough to chop things, so you can use it for meat, potatoes, tomatoes, anything like that. I also really like to use it to chop when we make egg salad, or if we're making deviled eggs and you need to chop up the eggs. But this just shows you how easy it chops up ground beef, which is typically what I use it the most for when we're doing spaghetti or tacos. And you can rotate it on its side if you want to scrape it. And it also doesn't scratch my pots, which is what I really like about it. But you can see here, it just kind of breaks everything up, and it really does help the meat cook a lot quicker too. I know before, if I was using just like a spatula, it took a lot longer. And you can see here, just as you know, the meat starts to cook, sometimes it does get a little bit stuck on the sides of it, and all you have to do then is just kind of scrape the sides on your pot or your pan, and it will come off. But you can see just how quickly it is browning the meat. So this is just it a little more as it's done, and you can see just how small the kind of granules, I guess you would call it, of the ground beef are. I really like this because I like, my taco meat or the chili that we're making, I like the ground beef to be really small. And you can see this is just the perfect consistency to put in tacos or any other kind of dish.